Welcome to today's episode of Synth Talk, where we dive into the fascinating world of electronic music and modular synthesizers. I'm your host, and today we're exploring a significant shift in the DIY Eurorack landscape thanks to erica-synths. So I must say it's a little bittersweet but also exciting news. Erica-synths has decided to discontinue their legacy DIY Eurorack projects, but in a really generous move, they're making everything open source. Imagine a treasure chest bursting with synthesizer design files, now freely available for everyone. Let's talk about what this actually means. Open source typically means you can build, modify, or even distribute the designs without any legal hiccups, but it has to be done with respect to the original creator's intentions. erica-synths has taken this to heart, and while they're stepping back, they're giving us all the tools we need to forge ahead. Now, if you're not familiar, they created detailed Gerber files for PCB front panels and even made slight design tweaks to eliminate those pesky custom and rare components. However, I do want to highlight that some modules still rely on rare integrated circuits available from their official website, so it may still be a bit of a treasure hunt. What's really cool is that every folder you download includes comprehensive information for building these modules, things like schematics, BOMs, component placements, and assembly manuals. I mean, what more could a DIY synth builder ask for? Let's break down a few of the open source projects they've released. Bassline. This is your go-to all-in-one synth voice designed specifically for those classic acid bass lines and droney soundscapes. BBD Delay Flanger, an all-analog effects unit that gives you that warm vintage vibe thanks to its V3205 BBD IC. Dual VCA. Inspired by the legendary Polivox architecture, this dual VCA makes use of AS3360, which is much more accessible than the rare Russian op-amps originally used. MIDI CV converter. Another cool gem, this dual converter has a glide function and is reminiscent of Polivox. And let's not forget the Polivox VCF, an authentic recreation that audiophiles and synthesizer enthusiasts will appreciate deeply. Now, some of you might be wondering, what if I run into issues while building these modules? Well, erica-synths has conveniently pointed us to forums like Muffwiggler. It's a community of passionate folks ready to help out. Before we wrap up today's discussion, I want to touch on a couple of thought-provoking ideas. By releasing these projects as open source, erica-synths is not just allowing us to build. They're fostering a community of creators, educators, and enthusiasts. How does this philosophy change the way we think about music technology? What new, innovative ideas might spring from this collaborative spirit? And remember, these designs are intended for personal, educational, or even commercial projects, as long as you respect the CC by Say license, giving credit where it's due. So, as we conclude today's episode, I encourage all you synth lovers out there, dive into those open source files, explore your creativity, and maybe even share your unique takes on these projects. After all, the world of music is all about collaboration and experimentation. Thanks for tuning in to Synth Talk. I hope you're inspired to build something amazing today. Happy synth crafting, and until next time, stay curious.